Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Open Green Energy. In this video, I will unbox and review a compact spot welder from Secure. I will also show you how to make a DIY lithium iron phosphate battery pack by using this spot welder. Guys, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe it. Please hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further delay, let's move to unbox this spot welder. I have received this spot welder with a nicely packed box. You can see there is no damage during the shipping. Let's open the box. Inside the box, all the parts including the spot welders are packed nicely with proper foam sheet. Inside the box, you will get a user manual which is written both in English and Chinese. The instructions are given with lot of pictures for easier understanding. Next, there is small quantity of nickel strips for testing, 3 sets of spot welding tips, 2 battery holder, foot paddle for triggering, the spot welding machine. After removing the first layer of foam sheet, you will get the spot welding pen with automatic trigger. You will also get spot welding pen with connector cables. Let's remove the protective plastic layer from the front part of the enclosure. You can see there is no scratch mark on the enclosure. The enclosure is made with metal. On the front and back side, input and output terminals are there. On the top side of the enclosure, there is a OLED display with a rotary encoder for setting the different parameters. The connectors used for connecting with the spot welders are XT90 type. The size of the connecting cables are 6 AWG. To test the spot welding machine, first we have to install the spot welding tips to the connector cables. The installation process is really easy. Just insert the copper tips, then tighten the screw. After installing the copper tips, connect the connector cables to the output terminal, then connect the foot pedal switch. Here I am using a 3S 5200 mAh LiPo battery to run the spot welder. For more details on the recommendation of battery, you can go through the user manual. Now connect the battery pack to the input terminal. You will immediately see the display on OLED display. The default working mode is automatic, but I will prefer to set it into the manual mode. You can set the trigger delay time by adjusting the rotary encoder. First, I am going to spot weld a 0.15 mm nickel strip on a 18650 battery. You can see the welding quality is extremely good, and it is really difficult to remove the nickel strip from the battery by hand. I have tried to remove the nickel strip from the battery by using a plier. The welding is really strong. Finally, I am going to make a DIY lithium iron phosphate battery pack by using this spot welder. Let's see how the result will come. Guys, you can see the welding quality is extremely good. I am really impressed with the welding quality of this compact spot welder. At last I am going to test this spot welding pen with automatic trigger. Remove the foot switch from the spot welder, then connect the welding pen trigger cable. After that you have to connect the XT90 connector of the thick cable to the output terminal. The welding quality with welding pen with automatic trigger is also good, but I am really happy with the earlier one. You can buy this spot welder from the Secure website. There are 3 different packages available for this spot welder. You can buy according to your requirement. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe it. Please hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Have a nice day.